Get ready for the Tesla Cybertruck. Production starts at the end of 2023. Tesla will at long last beginning selling the Cybertruck 1 year from now, Elon Musk has reported at the initial party for the organization's Giga Texas manufacturing plant. During his show in front of an audience, Musk flaunted the creation Cybertruck vehicle, which actually appears as though the past renditions, with the exception of its entryways, never again have handles. The vehicle will actually want to let that you know there and will realize that opening the doors is assumed. He likewise apologized for the deferral on delivering the Cybertruck that was first reported back in 2019. Tesla's unique and exceptionally hopeful target delivery date was 2021, yet it deferred the vehicle's send-off to 2022, and presently to 2023. The automaker will make the Cybertruck at its Texas Gigafactory, which it hopes to turn into the most elevated volume vehicle manufacturing plant in America. Musk addressed its other arranged gigafactories all over the planet, too, and how fabricating vehicles close where they will be transported is considerably more harmless to the ecosystem. This year is tied in with increasing creation, a scale that no organization has at any point accomplished throughout the entire existence of mankind, Musk said during the show, while the following year is tied in with delivering a huge rush of new items, notwithstanding the Cybertruck, the organization additionally plans to deliver the Tesla Semi-EV 1 year from now, as well as different items it hasn't uncovered at this point. The electric enormous apparatus that is intended to pull freight across significant distances should be delivered in 2019, yet its send-off likewise got pushed back a couple of times. Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot will likewise begin creation in 2023, Musk said, and will be intended to achieve any undertaking people would rather not do. Another future item we can evidently look forward is a devoted robotaxi that will be intended to look very modern. Prior to every one of those, nonetheless, Tesla will send off a wide beta of its full self-driving innovation in North America this year. Tesla announced that its latest creation, the Cybertruck, will be made available to the public at the end of 2023 and start rolling off the production lines at its Nevada factory. The futuristic truck has been in development since Tesla acquired Cybertruck in 2020 and has a range of 500 miles per charge, with a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour. However, that's not what sets it apart from other trucks on the road, it's the brains behind it. The Cybertruck is coming. Tesla's new vehicle, unveiled last week, is set to revolutionize the heavy truck industry. The company's first all-electric semi-truck will offer a range of 300 miles per charge and can go from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds without a trailer. It'll also be much cheaper than competitors' models, with a starting price tag of $150,000. The company's plans are to start mass producing this vehicle by December 2020, with deliveries to customers beginning in early 2021. So if you want to get your hands on one of these bad boys as soon as possible, you better put down a deposit now before they're gone. Production starts at the end of 2023. Tesla has announced that it will begin large-scale manufacturing of its electric truck, called the Cybertruck. The company is expected to start production in early 2020 and ramp up to a rate of about 10,000 per year by late 2023.